Finding the right accommodation can be overwhelming with too many options and too many websites. But today I am going to walk you step by step how to find perfect location according to your needs, how to filter them, how to search, how to put the correct filters, everything step to step with Amber Students. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अनस्टॉपेबल रे। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट स्टूडेंट अकोमोडेशन। एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, मैं आपको स्टेप टू स्टेप बताने वाली हूँ कि आप कैसे बुक कर सकते हो, कौन से फिल्टर्स लगाने चाहिए, कैसे लगाने चाहिए, एंड ऑल्सो स्टिक टिल द एंड बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू शेयर माई पर्सनल टिप्स ऑन व्हाट टू prioritize while booking an accommodation. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the screen recording of how to use Amber Student website to book your accommodation. So you can see my YouTube account. What you can do is you can go to any video of mine, and in that video you will find in the description you'll find the link. So if you go to this link, this page will open up, and from here you can simply either you can use quick chat to book your accommodation, or you can simply go to the location, whatever location you want, and then you can just inquire about any location. For example, put any location here, any university, and then when you click on inquire you can simply fill up this form, and then they will get in touch with you. Like, you can filter it by yourself, you can understand what exactly your needs are, you can put this in the preference what exactly you need, and that should be it. That's how simple it is. Now I would say, for me personally, the main important things are कि वाईफाई इंक्लूडेड है या नहीं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाटर बिल्स इंक्लूडेड है या नहीं, वहाँ पे हीटिंग सिस्टम है या नहीं, everything is very important. Hi, so I hope you have seen the presentation and now you know exactly how to book accommodation and how easy it is, with plus one point that they have a quick chat which is bang on. Like, it will help you a lot. Every time you get stuck, you just need to click on the button for a quick chat and they will answer each and every question. Now I would say, while booking the accommodation, make sure that you check according to your needs. Make sure कि वहाँ पे basic facilities हैं, distance कितना है, वहाँ पे कितना दूर आपको ट्रैवल करने के लिए जाना पड़ रहा है अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी से लेके कैंपस के लिए, वो कितना डिस्टेंस पे है, क्या ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम्स हैं, कितनी गुड कनेक्टिविटी है, everything. Make sure you are checking that. Wi-Fi, laundry, everything should be included. And one major thing, safety is the most important factor, and with Amber they are trusted. They will give you all the secured places, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about the safety. Make sure to check the reviews as well. That is a good option as well. Apart from that, they have made it very easy to book the accommodation. So if you are moving to UK this year, or you are moving your places from one university to another, make your life easier and check the link for Amber Students in my description and secure your accommodation now. Trust me, it will save you a lot of stress and money. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.